This video will show you how to complete an assignment on Blackboard, an assignment in terms of something different from a discussion thread. Now you can see that I'm already in the Blackboard help folder in our class Blackboard, and that I've already got information about replying to a discussion thread, but this is something slightly different. So the first thing you want to do is go to the assignments page. That's going to be the most efficient way to get to the assignment you want to complete. And let's have a look at the scavenger hunt. So whenever you want to complete an assignment, you want to click on the name of the assignment. It might not be super intuitive, but whenever you see this little pencil and ruler, or in this case, a pencil with some multiple choice things, that means that that's an assignment you can complete. This one is one that you will write. Don't know why the ruler's there. And this is a multiple choice quiz. But for both of them, for any assignment, you just click on the name of the assignment. Once you're in that screen, there are a couple things that I suggest that you do. First, I always recommend that you click View Rubric. Doing that will give you a sense of what your instructor is expecting from the assignment, and it gives you a really clear sense of what your work needs to look like in order to attain the grade that you want. So here for the the scavenger hunt assignment, that uses the participation rubric. And so once you've read through this quite carefully, you'll see that this rubric is actually used for quite a few assignments in this course. So you won't have to just keep rereading new rubrics all the time. The next thing I suggest you do is have a look at the outcomes so you have a sense of what the assignment is trying to accomplish and trying to help you accomplish. And then the instructions, I recommend you read them in full once, then check out the what to do, which will give you an overview of what exact actions you need to take, and then come back and have a look at those questions again once you have a sense of how you will complete the assignment. Now, some assignments ask you to attach something, and some assignments ask you to write a submission in a text box. If the assignment asks you to attach a file, like a Word document or something like that, you want to click on the Browse My Computer button. Now here you can find wherever you're keeping your files. I recommend that you're keeping them somewhere that is backed up to a cloud. You can see I keep all of my stuff in Box Sync. Clemson offers 50 gigs of storage through Box Sync. All you have to do is go to box.com and log in with your Clemson credentials. So that's a really great option to make sure you don't lose your work. The other thing that you might need to do is write a submission. Now, sometimes the assignment will ask you not to attach anything, but rather to write the submission. And in that case, you want to click this Write Submission button. Paste your answers in. I always recommend that you compose in something that you can save. So a Word document or a text document, anything that isn't based in the web browser, because sometimes Blackboard will crash, or you'll hit a button and the page will refresh and you don't want to lose all of your work. So that's why I always recommend composing outside of the browser in some kind of document or text word processing software. And once you've written your submission, then you simply click Submit. If you want to keep working on it, but you're not ready to submit, you can click Save Draft. And if you'd like to send me or your instructor any comments along with the submission, this would be the place to do that. And that is how you complete an assignment in Blackboard.